Picture this. A woman with metastatic cancer is undergoing a treatment. It is not chemotherapy, not radiation, but a virus. Yes, that's right. A virus is targeting her cancer. Today, I'm going to introduce you with the topic of oncolytic viruses. To break it down, onco means cancer and oncolytic means breaking down. So oncolytic viruses are viruses that break down cancer cells. Here are a few examples of viruses that have been genetically modified to remove their disease-causing genes and target cancer cells. Now you might wonder how these oncolytic viruses actually kill tumor cells. First, they are injected into a tumor. They infect a tumor cell and hijack their machinery to make copies of itself. So once it makes copies of itself, it bursts open the tumor cell, causing tumor cell lysis. It causes a release of more oncolytic viruses and tumor cell debris. These oncolytic viruses further go on and attack other tumor cells, causing a chain of destruction. Before we talk about what this tumor cell debris consists of, you might ask that why are normal cells not effective? The answer lies in interferons. They are proteins released by a normal cell when a normal cell is infected by a virus. They interfere with the ability of the virus to infect normal cells. So they go on to the other neighboring cells and tell them to put up their barriers. The next thing they do is to signal the infected cells to die, and they recruit white blood cells to stimulate long-lasting immunity. Going back to the cell debris that we talked about. It releases tumor antigens, DAMPs and PAMPs, which are cytokines. These antigens and cytokines are taken up by dendritic cells. These are antigen-presenting cells which present these antigens to CD8 cytotoxic T cells. These go on and attack and kill other tumor cells. On top of that, this tumor debris also consists of transgene encoded proteins, which further go on and amplify and activate the immune system. The third mechanism is the destruction of tumor vasculature. So a tumor are masses of rapidly dividing cells, and they need constant supply of oxygen and nutrients. So for that purpose, they create their own network of blood vessels. However, it is very important to note that these blood vessels are disorganized and immature. So oncolytic viruses affect the endothelial cells in the lining of these blood vessels and destroy them. This causes the leakage of these blood vessels. As a result, the tumor environment gets acidic because of the deficiency of oxygen and nutrients, and this causes destruction of the tumor itself. Oncolytic viruses have shown immense potential in the field of cancer treatment, particularly when combined with other cancer immunotherapies such as immune checkpoint inhibitors. This synergy can transform how cancers are treated today and in the future.